Hey guys, looks what arrived. I'm going to do an unboxing video on my new Cinderella shoes. I'm so excited. I literally bought them like 2 days ago. I'm have not opened them yet. Sorry, I'm trying not to get like my ugly makeup free face in. I'm just like woken up because I'm so excited. Can't believe it. But this is what the box looks like. I love Irregular choice so much. And when you open it, looks like this. We have little Disney characters on the pink wrapping paper. Oh my god. I am screaming, like literally. Oh, she spins. And there's the Cinderella logo. Oh, it's just, I love these so much already. And she spins. Apparently. Oh yes. Really, really slowly. I don't know if you can see that. She's spinning really, really, really slowly. I don't think it's supposed to do that. But oh my god. And they have the same Disney tissue paper in that came in the box. And the glitter is actually like properly packed on. It's actually really amazing, like so worth the 200. Any other shoes in there still? I think I'm gonna have to try them on, like literally. I'm so excited to wear these. These are so cool. And the soles look amazing. I am so excited to wear these out, even though they make me 6 foot. But the pain of being beautiful. Oh, I love them so much.